Today we will talk about 5 communication features between Undet Browser and Point Cloud Project. Undet Browser is advanced and user-friendly two-way communication tool between Scene WebShare Online Service and Undet Project. First of all, I will open Undet Browser and put my server, login and password information, and select Project after successful connection. As you can see, our project scan locations are grouped by color, where different color stands for different building level. I will quickly change distance of scan positions that are visible in browser. It is important to have same project opened in Undet Browser and in AutoCAD. Usually we are using two screens, so one screen can be occupied with Revit, AutoCAD or Ares Commander, and another can be used for Undet Browser. For video purpose we will place Undet Browser and AutoCAD in the same screen sometimes. There is function that will keep browser always on top of other apps. This is useful when you are working only on one screen. First of all, let's try to draw points by selecting them in Viewer and translating them into AutoCAD. It is really simple, just activate Draw Points function inside Undet Browser by pressing it and then click anywhere inside Project. Point will be generated in precisely correct position and will be drawn inside AutoCAD. To generate picture and mark its location in AutoCAD Project, we will use Draw Points function one more time, but this time we will activate Add hrefs function as well. With both of those functions turned on, click on object or place whose image you want to generate, and it will be done automatically. Using both of these functions combined will also mark generated image place in the project as a point. Also, you will be able to access that image anytime while being inside your AutoCAD environment by clicking on that point while holding Ctrl button. Fast View Section Translation can be performed by activating Translate View Section function and clicking anywhere in Viewer. That clicked point will be geometrical center of newly translated active view section. This function works super fast and precise and will not change size of current view section, it will only change view section position. Here we can see that our current elevation value is 0, and my drawn object is on same elevation. Change elevation function will automatically change AutoCAD elevation value to same value that selected point from viewer will have. This function will also work by simply selecting this option in Undet Browser and clicking anywhere inside viewer. As you can see now, my drawn object is on new changed elevation. Change elevation function can be combined with Translate View Section function and will allow to see and draw objects in exact same height as they are straight away. The most important Undet Browser feature is that it allows to navigate not only from Viewer to Point Cloud Project, but you can navigate from Point Cloud back to Viewer as well. Let's just move our current view section anywhere else and let's take a look how it works. In AutoCAD environment it can be done by using undet_ws command from command line and selecting any point from Point Cloud. This will navigate you from project to exact location in the Undet Browser and will show all scan locations from which that specific Point Cloud point can be seen. That point will be in center of all offered views, so you will be able to choose best scan position for your needs. Let's move current view section and see how it works one more time. Click anywhere on Point Cloud points. Once again, fast and precise result. As you can see, Undet Browser view was generated and rotated instantly defined by picked Point Cloud point, and all of generated views center as that selected Point Cloud point. Undet Browser works with Revit, AutoCAD and Ares Commander. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos. For more info, subscribe our channel or visit our website at www.undet.com.